Hi everyone, I'm Yosi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. This week, we are going to be exploring the many ways you can be more efficient on your Odoo database. Now, time is money, and Odoo understands that working smarter is better than working harder. Last time, we discussed the shortcuts found across Odoo that save you time, but sometimes get overlooked. Today, we are going to look at even more tips that we may have overlooked in the past while exploring Odoo itself. If you have not seen our previous video, please find the link in the description below. All right, are you familiar with the fairy tale of Hansel and Gretel? Well, the brother and sister used breadcrumbs to find their way back home after being taken deep in the wood. Unfortunately for them, the birds ate the breadcrumbs and they became lost. However, in Odoo, breadcrumbs help us to easily return to any previous page without having to hit the back arrow. It's a quick and easy way to navigate across Odoo without losing your place or losing information. Let's hop back onto my database so you can see what I mean. I'm going to navigate through a workflow, and you can see on my upper left corner how the breadcrumbs work. Let's go to the inventory app and look at the product at a more granular level. And here is the breadcrumb trail, and notice how easily the breadcrumbs have allowed me to go back and make a change to my product easily, as well as return to my 360-degree view of that product. For the next time-saving tip, we're going back to our chatter feature. Chatter is a defining feature across Odoo. It allows you to have a stored record of anything happening with every opportunity. Every chatter entry is timestamped and marked by the individual who has added or changed the information. Now, as we head back into my database, we can see the chatter log right here. By following these simple time-saving shortcuts, you can work much faster. By simply using the @ symbol or the hashtag symbol, you can quickly tag an individual or a group respectively. Let's take a look to show you how easy it is to tag folks on Chatter, making collaboration that much easier. I want to include my colleague, Colleen Diaz, to help me with a new opportunity. Simply add her by using the @ Colleen Diaz and log my note. But if I want everybody in my project and task team to be aware of something in particular, all I have to do is type hashtag, and here they are. Odoo has been created with the end user in mind, and making your life easier is something we take pride in. If you would like to reduce the time it takes to complete your administrative tasks, as well as you would like to learn more about an all-in-one solution like Odoo, please get in touch with us directly or with one of our business analysts for more information. As always, thank you so much for being with me today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all.